we begin, all my colleagues, I'm just starting to share my screen. Today we would be attending workshop on Sway. Can you see my screen?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. It's loading, ma'am, now. Yes, ma'am. Now it's visible.
No, it's working? Okay, that's great. We go to this page wherein we have opened office.com. Is my voice clear enough?
Yes, ma'am. Perfectly audible.
That's good. So once we have be a little different for first time or second. These are all the applications that we have in our office.com. And this is the app which is Sway, wherein I have highlighted it shows create and share interactive reports, presentations, and personal stories. SWAY. So the moment I click on this, I go to this page, which is the home page for Microsoft Sway. So for applying for MIE nomination, we need to create a sway. That sway should have all the relevant information, what we have done since the last 1 year. If we are applying for the first time, it will include any activity that you have done till now. And if you have applied earlier since last year also, if you were an MIE. So from last year till today, whenever you are applying any activities wherein you have been an effective part, maybe through children, through students, through teachers, so on and so forth, you can go ahead. The moment I click on the plus button for starting any activity or a presentation, we click on plus. So this is the home page, how it appears. The first two words which says storyline and design, it itself is self-explanatory. That means we are starting our storyline here. Okay. So this plus indicates the moment we click on this plus, it will ask you insert. What do you want to insert? A heading page, a text page, an image, a stack, or you want to upload something. Stack actually means you have to insert more number of pictures. Wherein जैसे कि आपकी album है. If you have an album which has got one after the other, so many pictures are there on the album. But if you keep it in the form of an album, it looks like a book or something. So this would also look like a book or something wherein you can turn the pages and you can see all the pictures separately. That's called stack. Only image means one image you would be you can insert. Now text is again self-explanatory. It is asking you two types of text, heading and text. We go to media. If I'm too fast, let me know. You can unmute yourself and tell me. It is media. So media itself is again self-explanatory. Now we all are very much well versed with all these things. If you have any audio recording, suppose you have made a clip or something that you want to share, this is how I go ahead in my class. You can copy the link. Any links that you want to copy in your Sway or something, you must have it in your OneDrive. The reason is Sway itself is a small link. Within that, you can embed n number of links so that you can give them all relevant information, whether you are on Twitter, on Microsoft Educator community, on Facebook related to Microsoft tools, anything that we are doing through technology, that's the required information. This is the link for video. If you click a video card, the screen will appear something like that you can insert a video. So this is about the introduction. Embed again means embedding a link. See, it's saying insert embed card. That means जैसे आपके cue cards होते हैं, as if we have seen in the what you call the Bonvita quiz contest or any quiz contest wherein they have cue cards in their hands. So these are also your cards, image card, video card, audio card. ऐसा इनको they have named it so that we can do all different type of things in it. Sorry. This is the group. Group actually means more number of presentations or more number of pictures. Grid, can you see here? It is 3 by 3 grid it is showing. If we paste those number of pictures in that grid, it will appear like a grid. The way we are making in Adobe or any other tools, grids are there similarly. Now slideshow actually means you click on insert slideshow and you select all the relevant pictures in the slideshow. तो वो slideshow की तरह एक के बाद एक pictures आपके बढ़ते जाएंगे. Comparison means one will be bigger, one will be smaller. Suppose you have done an activity in your class, something like your edu days that we had, and you want to show few pictures in a highlighted mode and few in little lesser highlighted one. So you can use this comparison type of card. Automatic again means you have two, three cards, and you suppose I have done 10 activities in my class and I want to paste 10 pictures. But then I want to group them also, five pictures in one group and five in another group. तो अगर हम ऑटोमेटिक वाली कार्ड लेंगे एंड वी हैव ग्रुप फाइव पिक्चर्स टुगेदर एंड उन पांचों को मिला के वी विल क्लिक ऑन दिस ऑटोमेटिक पार्ट, so all those five pictures will be grouped in one. जब वो दिखेगा आपको एज हम प्ले करके देखेंगे it will be like one. Suppose in PowerPoint we make slides and then we do slideshow. In any other activity like in OneNote, you write it OneNote, but when it is saved, you play it as sections, pages. So similarly, in a Sway, when you have made the Sway and then you have to click on this play button, which is on the right hand side corner, and it will appear as a complete presentation to you. Few of you would have already attended, like Pooja ma'am had made a sway in Hindi, Kirandeep ma'am had made a sway in computer class. So that is how we click on right, next, 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 and that it goes. So PowerPoint presentation आपकी slide wise ऊपर से नीचे जाती है. OneNote has both the forms vertically and horizontally. So in this way also you have vertically and horizontally. It is up to us how we want to go ahead. Now this is about the introduction. So let's proceed. I click on this insert and heading is already there. So now I click on a text card. So it gives me a text card. You see the plus button is again highlighted and then it is asking me next what do you want to do. So the sway they have said should be for 2 minutes. So we have to make it complete all the information, but we should not make it more इतना लंबा नहीं कि वो कोई देखे ही ना उसको. Okay, so try and use these type of options tag और ये सारा so that you can include more number of things. So text we have taken, then we take the image part, and at most when you take image, see here is the left side option where it shows drag an image. आप कोई भी image insert कर सकते हैं. As of now we are only taking different cards and then we proceed further. So now I am clicking on this insert stack group. When I go to media, I can also insert any media files here. But as of now, I do not want any media files since I have left that option. I click on group and I insert a grid as well. देखिए grid की view कैसे आ रही है. 9 by 9 on the left hand side if you see. The moment we clicked on all these, ये scroll bar आपका लंबा हो गया. That means because it has gone down. Okay, so we can scroll it up and down and we can go to that specific card wherein we want to work. That's one thing. Coming to the right hand side corner जहाँ पर आपके बहुत सारे options आ गए. Suggested, search resources, search sources, animals, backgrounds. These are all giving us hint. Suppose we make a generalized sway or we want to teach anything in our class, we will use all these options. कैसे pictures चाहिए and all those we can use. Now at this point of time, we are talking about making a sway for our nomination, MIE nomination. So that's more important for us because we are almost on the time. Today is already 12th or 13th of June. Today is 13th of June. So hence we focus on that part. Now here I begin. So here I will write MIE. It will pull up. I have started writing. I just clicked on the cue card, the first one. Nomination. MIE nomination. I'm just giving it a name. We can pull any image. So we have to use laptop for this. That would be better. However, we can use phone as well. Little inconvenient on that because all the options would not be clearly or at a time visible simultaneously to you. But then we need to have all the pictures. If you have the in your phone, the screenshots, you have to keep them downloaded all on your desktop or maybe in a folder so that we can go ahead and save the pictures here. It's uploading. I clicked twice, thrice something, so it says not responding. So I'm just waiting for the same. Till here, is it clear to everyone? Ina ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope I'm not too fast. Aman ma'am, are you listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. So here we have again it says not responding. A lot of trouble. You know what? I had also kept my sway open. I thought I'll show that to you in the last. Let's do one thing. We can see that as well to get the more idea, and then we will come back to this. So this is the sway that I had already opened. This is last year's nomination which I had filled. The only reason of me showing this is different types of options how you can put it, as in the stack or the group or required information. And always write the information in the bullet points. Suppose you're writing about the activities that you have conducted for your children, so write it in bullet points, and always try key dates and all these things should be mentioned. That would give a clear picture or a better with supported with facts and figures to any person who is reviewing your sway. यूजुअली इट्स नॉट स्लो, समथिंग्स रॉन्ग टुडे, सो नॉट टू वरी दैट कितना टाइम लग रहा है, आप ये ना टेंशन लें. So these are all the previous ways that I have already made. So if we have already, okay, so this is this. So let us look at this one, 25th June. See, this is auto save. 13 June first वाला sway जो आया था. The moment we start writing something or start creating a, on the moment we click on a sway and write something, even on one cue card, it will take all the, it will save it automatically. The more changes you make, it will save every time any amendments that you do. So you do not need to worry कि अरे I forgot to save. Now what is going to happen? Come on, we all are waiting. Okay, so this is how the sway appears. If you see in the center, I have, it is only the raw page which you call it. So any pictures, anything which I have pasted on the left hand side, you are seeing the page. This is the heading type. So few things are self-explanatory. Heading is there. This is the leadership conclave which I had attended. So pasted the picture and wrote something about it. Now the certificate I have here, certificate received during this item. So whenever you paste any image, this line will come, image card. So where from wherever we have taken the image, that would appear as the path here. So make sure you have a complete folder, something like MI nomination, ऐसा कोई folder का नाम रख लीजिए, and you can save all your pictures there. So text, the first question they say is, why do you consider yourself to be an MI expert? So this is something that I felt I can write about myself. So it's not compulsory. This is the group part. Is it visible where I am hovering the cursor left hand side, group automatic? So here I had taken the group, the cue card, which was, whose name is group. So that because these were all the images of one single event, wherein said US at C visited the Microsoft office to receive the award event. So I thought कि पूरा together एक जगह रहेगा, so person can know, okay, during that event she has shared few information about that event. Now coming to the second one, the next one, this is group stack. Okay, these are all the points or the batches that we have यहाँ badges. So left में you are writing a pasting a picture, and right में you are giving a heading to that. This is just the raw thing I'm showing, and I'll show play करने पे कैसा लगता है. So this is about the trainings conducted. Now this is again a group. I have named it in stack form, so that this is related to one single event. This is about my personal development courses that I have done. Hence I have named it as, इसको फिर से मैंने एक stack में रख दिया. So I have what all I have attended, the hack the classroom, tweet, meet, anything, what all you people have attended, the tech talk, we can name all of those. So here we come to the down. It is in this question, there are different type of questions. So they ask, if you are chosen as an MI expert, what are you going to do in the next 1 year? Or why should we choose you for an MI expert? So this is my appeal to that. which I wanted to tell them. So this is the my picture that I have pasted, something what I wanted to write here. Okay, so projects facilitated by me, any projects wherein I was the mentor. So I wrote about all the mentorship projects which I have taken with the children. So this shows that the children involvement, it shows there. Okay, this is again Minecraft journey wherein we had gone to Satpal Mittal School, Ludhiana with the children. I had taken the children along with me. This is Minecraft Global Mentor wherein I was selected for that. So these are few other types of. So left side में image, right side में heading or any topic that you want to write. If you write text, that will only be a text card wherein you can write the text. Now see here, I didn't want any background, तो मैंने इसको छोड़ दिया left one. This is again a group automatic. देखिए आप यहाँ से यहाँ देखेंगे तो एक group दिख रही है आपको ये सारा. इसकी heading क्या है? Trainings conducted by me. तो सबको अलग अलग हेडिंग में आप दे सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द ट्रेनिंग्स कंडक्टेड पार्ट. सो हियर वी हैव इट. These are all the cues. I'm teaching about 365 forms or something, sharing knowledge with others. So this was there in the hub school today as well, the image. This is what, and this is the group grid, the next type of card, group grid. तो हम देखेंगे group grid जब दिखता है तो हमें how does it appear to us. Okay, so group stack, some information, written information, and then we have some pictures. तो आई ऑलवेज प्रेफर पिक्चर्स के साथ में हेडिंग्स. दैट्स अ वेरी गुड आइडिया है ना. आपने पिक्चर्स तो लगा दी. अब यहाँ जो मैंने लिखे हैं 3-4 sentences टेक्स्ट कार्ड में, दिस इज अबाउट द ओवरऑल थिंग व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. But at the same time, we just put pictures and people don't know what actually is happening there. So it's always a great idea to put a heading to your picture. So what वो picture किस लिए है, किसके लिए है. Okay. So this is the group stack, another type of thing which we have taken. This is about the edu days that we had conducted. This was last year, learning marketplace. Okay, group grid again. So text card, and what are we going to do? Bring your own device. I was talking about bring your own device, addressed everyone in the hubs meeting. So that is there. So Minecraft, Kahoot, this is about the June summer vacations ke time pe we had few outsiders coming to our school. Students had come, and then when we played the Kahoot Minecraft, and this is the Kahoot part in the computer lab of North Block, we had all these. So next my MI meet at Amritsar. This is again another type of card. Heading के तौर पे मैंने लिया है. Text card is there. Okay. So this is about the MIE nomination, a simple sway. Now let's see how does a sway appear. You have made one part or two part or three part. You can go and check the preview so that you will know, अच्छा ये ठीक लग रहा है. This is good. This I can do better. This I can change the background. This I can change the wordings. That we can come to know from here. We click on this play button, which is on the right hand side corner, third line of the from the upper part. We click on play. This is how it is appearing. I have a background image. I preferred it to be थोड़ा background में little darker so that the front what I have written can be highlighted. See how the sway is appearing. I'll just take this one away. Here. Okay. So right side down below second line on your screen corner, if you see down, I am referring to down, नीचे. See the cursor where it is moving. These are the two arrows which will take us further. Okay. So then we click on further. अब क्या दिख रहा है जो हमारे right side में था, it has shifted. So this is how the sway is appearing. Left hand side में you have the pictures, two pictures, and right hand center में whatever is written. Now this we had in group grid, represented team. ये जो तीनों pictures थी, grid आपको ऐसे दिखेगी. Coming to the आगे बढ़ गया. This is the stack point. देखिए सारे images आपको कैसे दिख रहे हैं. अनुविर्दी मैम, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay, that's great. So this is the stack which it appears. Okay, view image with details. हमने उसको यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने hover किया, there are 4 arrows going outside. It's looking like an album. मतलब इसमें इतने सारे pictures है. The moment we start clicking on this picture, बड़ा हो गया है picture. देखिए, 10 images, 4 images, 5 images. That is up to us how much we want to take. And it has on left पे जाएंगे तो it will ask previous. Okay, the way we have, अगर हम WhatsApp को laptop पे चला रहे हैं तो it goes to the next screen similarly. So I click on this next. So any person who wants to see my profile or wants to see all these pictures we had before, or while we are clicking here, we can see it in the form of a complete big picture on the screen. These are all. Okay. And when we want to close it, then again we go to this cross button where it shows close. Right hand side corner upper third line upper part I'm referring close आ गया. जैसे मैंने इसको क्रॉस क्लिक करना है ये वाली व्यू. ओके. द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट टेक्नोलॉजी और कंप्यूटर और एनी टूल इज वो हमें बाहर निकल के मारता नहीं है, गालियां नहीं देता. तो दैट्स अ बेस्ट पार्ट. तो यू कैन गो अहेड एंड डू एनी एक्सपेरिमेंट. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा, वो जो आपने पिछला काम किया था वो सेव नहीं होगा, कुछ और रह जाएगा. But since these tools are again auto save, that's again an added advantage for us. अगर हमने थोड़ा सा इधर उधर कोई स्क्रीन पे हम चले भी गए, जो ऑटो सेव है that will still be there. Okay. So be brave hearts and try every tool. I'm just proceeding to the next to see how it appears. देखिए वहां पर आपको छोटा सा दिख रहा था, यहाँ पे it's a big picture and I had taken the heading वाला slide. So whenever you have a heading slide at the background, you can have an image and whatever you want to write, you can write it here. If it is total heading, it will allow you 1 or 2 lines to write. That too, the size will automatically become bigger. वो खुद ही big हो जाएगा. If it is subheading, you can again write 2 3 lines. Simply facilitated by me. वहाँ पे छोटी छोटी लिखी आती है, but when you start playing it in the form of sway, it will show you in a larger font, in the larger size. See, these are our school children whom I had accompanied for the Minecraft journey, and this is my team wherein we had participated in the Minecraft Global Mentorship. So these were the few Minecraft model that the children had made through Minecraft, just screenshots of them. So trainings conducted by me. See, I had taken another group grid लिया था वहां पे. So this is how it was appearing. थोड़े से pictures आपके straight आ रहे हैं, तो grid में आपके ऐसे pictures आ रहे हैं. And just image के बाद आप image लोगे तो ऐसा it will appear. See, this was group grid and this was something दूसरा कोई और type था, group automatic grid या उसके अंदर ही कोई और था. If you want one image, one text, one image, one text, we can take that as well. That's up to our wish कि हम अपनी स्वे को कैसे सुंदर बना सकते हैं. And that's the best part. थोड़ा सा करते करते हमको लगता है नो सारा टेक्स्ट आ रहा है, it's so boring. So I go and put some images in between. Then I feel कि नहीं बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है. Then I change few जगह पे सिर्फ images, few जगह पे सिर्फ text can be there. है ना? So this is again थोड़ा heading दिया, image लिखा image है, heading image. So wherever you are writing a heading, giving a topic or a text or some heading to your picture, this is how it will appear. MIE नीट माइनक्राफ्ट. तो पिक्चर के ऊपर वो एक हेडिंग की तरह आ गया. सो एवरीवन नोज. आप देख रहे हैं हेल्पिंग एजुकेटर्स फ्रॉम अदर स्कूल्स फॉर हैंड्स ऑन ऑफिस. आई हैड टोल्ड इमेज कार्ड. आपने उसके लिए इमेज कार्ड लेनी है. सो लेफ्ट पे यू हैव टू पुट द इमेज, बट इन द राइट साइड राइट है सेंटर में यू विल पुट अ हेडिंग टू दैट. सो जब इमेज विल बी प्लेड, दिस इज हाउ इट अपीयर्स. टीचिंग अबाउट ऑफिस 365 फॉर्म्स. दिस इज हाउ इट विल अपीयर. दिस अगेन इज अ स्टैक. सी ये छोटा स्टैक हमने बनाया है. So when I click on this, it opens whatever I want to say. 3 pictures were there. पहले जब आप play कर रहे हो, it's a bit hazy. You need to wait for a second. This I had visited the government school wherein we were doing a buddy initiative project, and their headmaster is there, who is the principal, and these are the children of grade 8. So they were very happy, and we had a Skype with a lady from Teacher Man to Fish channel. With those children, she was asking everything in English and I was telling in Hindi. Then I was translating the answers to them. So that was real. So these are again the words, again the stack. This is not 5 6. So अगर हम 4 लगाएंगे तो साइज खुद से थोड़ी बढ़ जाती है पिक्चर की. So 1 2 3 4 आते हैं, but the size would appear as if it's a book, notebook की तरह खुले. These are again few other things. So this is how a sway appears when you go next. This is example. I have clicked on it. It's taking some time. Act of becoming. So now it asks how does it impact you. So these are the 4 highlighted questions. First is why do you consider yourself an MI? What can an MIE? And third is impact of becoming an MIE. तो जो उन्होंने क्वेश्चन में what वगैरह लगा के दिया था, मैंने उसको थोड़ा हेडिंग ले लिया, थोड़ा सा चेंज करके, and I wrote my points for this. So this is the last last one जहाँ ये आ गया that means it is last. And बनाने के बाद भी एडिट कर सकते हैं. टुडे ऑल्सो आई कैन एडिट दिस वे. इफ आई क्लिक ऑन दिस एडिट, राइट हैंड पे जो एडिट है, एडिट शेयर एंड सेटिंग्स की बटन आ रही है, आई क्लिक ऑन एडिट एंड आई एम रेडी टू एडिट दिस वे. आई गो बैक टू द प्रीवियस वे दैट वी वर मेकिंग, बिकॉज ओनली शोइंग दिस वे विच इज ऑलरेडी मेड वुड नॉट सर्व. आपको वो नहीं पता लगेगा कि आपने कैसे बनाना है. यू कैन सी हाउ इट लुक्स. You click on this whenever you have of attaching an image. Till then, till this, is it clear to everyone? Anyone who can let me know? Ah, ma'am. Maybe she's आपको कुछ समझ आ रहा है? कोई मैं बहुत जल्दी जाके ऐसा तो नहीं कि सुपरफिशियली कुछ बता रहे हैं. इज इट ओके? Guys, come on, speak. Am I even audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am.
I am audible. Okay. चलो इतना तो क्या हो गया कि I am audible. That's great. So is it okay whatever I am saying? Does it make sense? कि be very genuine, because if you want to know something else, I can go ahead and make those changes. But जब तक आप बताओगे नहीं, I can't help you. बलजीत मैम, आप बताएं.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, यहाँ तक हमने किया हुआ है last time. Actually, we have done once way, ना, when we have
Right.
sent this way for the
हाँ,
nomination of last year. Yes, ma'am.
correct. हाँ, you
Yes,
were
ma'am.
there last
Yeah.
year. So
Yes,
our
ma'am. Yes.
focus is
Only the confusion
majorly
is,
on
ma'am.
those who were not there, है ना? Because,
Yeah.
please
Yeah.
बताएं.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, how to like get the link from OneDrive and to paste over there, like that is the confusion. Otherwise, everything is okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, yes,
That's good that you brought it to my notice. So we will go ahead and work on that then.
yeah.
Okay.
Please,
I
yes.
go here and I this media part. Here I'll go to this embed link. Now it will, देखिए ये एक link एक आ गया आपके. Paste your embed code here. It is asking from Forms, SharePoint, and SoundCloud. It is asking. So this is my OneDrive. I click on my OneDrive from the files option. It will open up all the links that I have, maybe a presentation or anything that we have here previously made. So whenever we have something which is previously made, I just need to click on this one, show actions, the three dots which are there. Here it will give me an option of copying the link, okay? The three dots which is appearing. If it is a PPT or something. And if we are on Twitter, then whenever you are on Twitter and you want to take your screenshots, you can take screenshots of the tweets that you have done. Another method is you can take the link from there as well. So this right side, in the center where we have three dots vertically arranged, I click on that and I get this long option. I click on this copy link part. It will give me an option कि आप link copy कर सकते हो for that specific type of tool. It could be a video, it could say anything. And we had also made this edu day pe we all had made videos of our classes, so you can get the links for those as well from maybe your IT teacher or someone who had helped you in making the links. उनकी OneDrive से भी आपको मिल सकता है. So always remember, can edit वाला option हमने नहीं रखना है. We remove the editing option. We click on apply. Now it says can view. So here I have copied. ये कॉपी हो गई हमारी लिंक. एंड देन वी गो बैक टू आवर स्वे एंड वी paste the embed code. We do control V. Okay, this is the link that we have pasted. if you want to see we can play it here. And अगर आपको लिंक बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा लग रहा है you can go ahead and shorten it in the bitly www.bit.ly.com. so आपको सारे वो URL shortener है, और you can write on the Google URL shortener, और कोई भी URL shortener जो वो देगा, from there you can do it. Okay, so this is how the sway will appear if you click on it. And oh, where is my arrow? Okay, come, go to this edit option. This is creating a hyperlink for the text that we have, display text web link. Okay. This is how the link is appearing. Now when I play this one, I click on play. आप यहाँ जाएंगे, ये आपका एक हैंड आ गया. जब आप इस हैंड को क्लिक करेंगे, it is asking you are about to be redirected web page. Do you want to do this? I click on OK. So it will for that person. मैंने इसकी कॉपी की थी ना लिंक, so हमारी लिंक यहाँ पे कॉपी हो गई. So n number of links we can copy and paste. Okay, Valjit ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So wherever we have this link, ये वाला create a hyperlink दिखा रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
We click on this link. फिर it will ask क्या नाम से आप उसको डिस्प्ले करना चाहते हो. आप कह सकते हो ट्वीट,
Tweet, yeah.
जो भी हमारी मर्जी है, ठीक है. एंड लिंक हमने उसकी पेस्ट कर दी. इफ इट इज वेरी बिग वी शॉर्टन इट इन यूआरएल शॉर्टनर, अदरवाइज वी डोंट वांट. वन ड्राइव से हमने लिंक ली, यहाँ पर लगा दिया, हमने इसको ओके कर दिया. यहाँ पे देखिए ट्वीट मीट से सिंपल दिख रहा है. यहाँ जब आप स्क्रॉल करेंगे आपको कुछ नहीं पता लगेगा, बट
Yes.
जब आप इसको प्ले करेंगे इस तरह से, ये देखिए यहाँ छोटा ट्वीट मीट आ गया. आप ऐसे करते हैं तो हैंड दिखता है, हटाते हैं तो वो हैंड हट जाता है, एरो की तरह
Yes,
होता है.
ma'am.
ये हैंड है. जब आप इस हैंड को क्लिक करेंगे इट विल अगेन ओपन यू टू दैट लिंक जो भी हमने पेस्ट किया. एंड सिंस वी हैव गिवन ऑप्शन की नॉट टू एडिट, जो भी पर्सन होगा दे कैन ओनली व्यू दिस, दे डू नॉट हैव ऑप्शन
Do
टू
not have.
एडिट दिस.
Okay. And ma'am,
So,
actually the excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी मैम जरूर.
Ma'am, actually, the OneDrive where we can see like where there is the another tools of Microsoft when we open that page, right? Then
हाँ,
we can directly see the OneDrive over the icon that.
यस यस, नाम ही
Okay,
है
okay.
उसका वन ड्राइव.
Yes,
आई
yes,
शो
yes.
यू दैट एज
I was
गुड
just
दैट यू
confused.
आर.
Yes, ma'am. I thought
नहीं
I've
नहीं,
seen this icon over there, but
करेक्ट. एक क्लाउड की तरह यू विल सी,
yes,
मे
yes,
बी
yes, ma'am.
साइड क्लाउड की
Yes,
तरह है
ma'am.
ना. दिस इज योर पेज. तो
Yes, ma'am.
जब आप गए यहाँ पे, ये देखिए वन ड्राइव,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I
थर्ड
got it.
लाइन
Yes,
पे. कभी
yes.
कभी इट इज ऑल इन द वर्टिकल फॉर्म, एट टाइम्स हॉरिजॉन्टल, वो खुद ही हो जाता है
हाँ
और
जी, हाँ जी.
डिफरेंट इट बिकम्स डिफरेंट. so we
Yes,
go
ma'am.
back to this way which we were creating. So people who have done last year, it's very easy for them not to worry about it. And
Yes, ma'am.
for others, sorry, so this seed saved, I just click on the same one, and यहाँ से we can edit it. So I go this option. Now coming to this design option, design, then we offer any number of designs. It is asked कौन सा डिजाइन लेना है आपने. आई क्लिक ऑन स्टाइल्स, ये पूछ रहा है वर्टिकल. इफ आई क्लिक ऑन दिस हॉरिजॉन्टल, इट विल ऑल द थिंग्स विल अपीयर इन द साइडवेज हॉरिजॉन्टल. इफ आई क्लिक ऑन दिस स्लाइड्स ऑप्शन, ये स्लाइड्स की तरह बदल जाएंगे. जैसे आपकी पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन में स्लाइड्स आर देयर, वी कैन गो फॉर दिस स्लाइड्स ऑप्शन. ठीक है. so it is giving you preview as well. The moment we are changing, it is giving us preview. अगर हमने बहुत सारे स्लाइड लगाए हैं, we can click on these arrows from here and we can keep on testing them. ठीक से दिख रहा है, अच्छा दिख रहा है, is the view better? Otherwise I go ahead and change it further. ठीक है. And then these are the types of fonts that we have. The color mixture है, capital small है. We can go for any number of any fonts or anything. I select on any one of these. selected pick ABC, so the back and एक करना है, it will मतलब if you have 10 pages or 10 cue cards, it will change for all the cards. So we can test which one is looking better. We can take any flowery background. These can on one click, बस इसने सेव करना है, थोड़ा सा देर है, you have to test कौन सा अच्छा लग रहा है. No, I have my pink background. This light color is not looking good or dark color is not looking good. So we can go ahead and change it. And these arrows, ये drop down जो scroll arrows हैं towards the right, they can give you more and more number of options. जब इनके options end हो जाएंगे, ये हो जाएंगे. That it does not have any other option. So it's up to us कैसे texture लेना है, how much beautify can we make our sway. It goes मतलब on and on and on. See the flowers are there. And if you are using it for study purpose, तो आप ऐसी चीजें ले सकते हैं. मैथ्स है तो मैथ्स की कोई बैकग्राउंड है तो ले सकते हैं. साइंस है तो साइंस की बैकग्राउंड यू कैन ले सकते हैं. इज ऑल्सो आस्किंग कस्टमाइज. इफ यू वांट टू कस्टमाइज थोड़े और सेलेक्ट करके कलर्स अलग चेंज कर लो, टेक्सचर्स अलग चेंज करो, इट विल गिव यू दोज ऑप्शंस एज वेल. एंड व्हेन आई क्लिक ऑन दिस रिमिक्स, इट्स कि हाँ मैंने तो जो आप कह रहे थे करने के लिए, आई हैव डन इट. so that is for the save. So you click on styles. Everyone know this कि styles को click करेंगे right hand side, third, first, second, third and fourth line. Just above the remix button, cross button के ऊपर में right hand side corner में. So we are getting this textures and typography colors जो भी हमने बदल रहे हैं. That is about the design part. We click on the storyline. Storyline is this one. मतलब अगर बच्चा story अभी लिख ही रहा है, उसका complete नहीं हुआ, so this is how it will appear. The storyline name itself signifies. So this is the one. Okay. And before I proceed to share, which is a very important option again, I'd like to show you कुछ और pictures कैसे add करना है. We go to this. ये हमारा image card है. You can see image card name is there, group stack name is there, group grid name is there. It will appear. Add content will have you to write anything here. Okay. I click on this add image. Now it is asking me, ठीक है ले लो अपने image. अगर हमने कोई net से लेनी है, we can write the name. Suppose we write here technology. This is an online tool, a very important part. If I missed it earlier, this is an online tool. You need to have internet access for working. Actually, Office 365 is complete and online tool. It's giving you these images. So any image that you want, आपका green वाला but box highlighted है. Drag an image. देखिए left hand side में ये box highlighted है. अब आप जो भी image यहाँ से लेंगे, ये जाके यहीं paste करेगा. It's asking या तो आप image को drag कर दीजिए या यहाँ से click भी कर सकते हैं. Suppose I want this one. I have clicked on this blue color image. I get clear selection 1. उसने एक select कर लिया है. It is asking me add. मैं add करूँ, पूछ रहा है. I said yes. So it has added the image. Now this is when you have it in your what do you call it, internet. Okay. Suppose we want to insert from our own device. So we click on this insert. We go to this suggested option on the fourth, first, second, third, fourth, fifth line. Suggested. तो suggested में जब आप drop down उसकी arrow एक down जा रही है, half arrow है, उसको आप click करेंगे, it is giving you suggested. OneDrive से लेना है, Flickr से लेना है, Bing Images, Picket, YouTube या कहाँ से लेना है, या My Device. So the way we are talking, you click all the images, you have it in your phone and you send all your images, or you open your phone box onto your laptop and you save all the images. So that is how you go to My Device, upload from My Device. आप My Device पे click करेंगे. It will then take you to the hard disk of your own laptop. It's going. It says जा रहा हूँ, रुको, हड़बड़ाओ मत मुझे. So the moment it appears, we know where we have saved it. Maybe in your desktop or on your desktop or on one of the drives that you have. We will give it a path and it will select the image from that specific desktop. Okay, so here I have my desktop files. Let me see, where do I have the images? I had few images in the E drive. Let me go to my E drive images. Okay, so recently I had the images of these children. I click on this. I had downloaded all the images sent by the class teachers. So I click on one of those. Okay. The images are popping up. I click on an image and I click on open. The moment I click on open, it will save the image onto the Sway. See, it's processing, a gray colored one. Child's image is here. So this is how the image will appear. I can name it as a monitor of grade 1B. The shift button. So I have played it here. I have this one, I have this one. I am an enthusiastic learner. So I have written something here as well. So first one is there. We have a heading. Then we have a tweet meet wala slide. Then we have some code here. Something written text is there. Image is there. Okay. And then now let's see how it appears. अब हम वापस इसको play करते हैं. See how it is appearing. My MIE nomination for EduDay is a link. So I go there, hand appears. A tweet meet is a link. I go there, hand appears. I click on आगे. I am an enthusiastic learner. I had written that ahead. पहले मैंने ये लिखा था, फिर पिक्चर लगाया था. So sequence देखिए कैसे आ रहा है. Word आ रहा है, picture आ रहा है. Then I go to the next one. The child's image is there. Here we had taken the image card and on the image we had written this heading, monitor of grade 1B. So उसके image पर this name or the wordings that we have written is appearing. Again you click on edit. It will again give you an option to add. So this is our option, this is our prerogative how we are going and doing. अभी आप कुछ भी करेंगे इस पे होगा क्योंकि ये वाली box highlighted है cue card. So similarly you go to this one. Now suppose you have written something यहाँ or you want to highlight, so you need to select that whatever is written. We have to select this and we click on emphasize. ये bold हो जाएगा. The way on your word you have bold ऐसा. If you do it accent थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा हो जाएगा tilt. And we can also give any bullet point. Suppose we go to bullet से देखिए automatic bullet आ गया. Next you write it something. I am very fond of learning. See, the moment you click enter, another bullet is appearing. Now this bullet is also our wish. We can give bullets, we can give numbers. So whatever you will write here, it will appear in the form of number. So we can write anything and we click on number. Link that I had shown you, link बना सकते हैं किसी के भी. Create a hyperlink. It is showing you that. See here. Now this is a highlight. This usually हम ये जो highlighted options दिख रहे हैं ना, set the emphasize on this card to subtle. मतलब कम करना है किसी को ज्यादा करना है. So suppose ये image है हमारा. Suppose I take this child's image. Okay, on her picture I want to make any changes. ये अगर आपको disturb कर रहा है right side वाला, you can put a cross to it. So you have a complete page for yourself. So here I click on this option, which is it is asking me set the focus point. So ये focus point है. अब हमने इसको click किया. Set the focus point. जब आप इसको play करोगे, focus point अलग से set हो जाएगी. अब ये पूछ रहा है the entire. So if I say the entire image is important. Suppose you have pasted a group image and you want your face to be highlighted. At that time we take these type of options. Focus on the image. You take a complete image, 5-6 लोग हैं and you say कि आपके चेहरे पे focus होना है. If you say सबके पे होना है, you click on this. The entire image is important. But if you think कि कुछ part पे होना चाहिए, then we can click it to reset and we can click on कि कहाँ पे focus होना चाहिए. So if you click on the eyes, it will focus on the high eyes. This way fix the best layout depending. अच्छा, best layout. Okay. Here I click. Here I click. Here I click. Here. So this is how ये part ज़्यादा focus होगा जब आप play करेंगे. So that's what I was saying. If you have taken a group picture and you want to highlight your face or something, then you can use this type of thing. Okay. Whatever you have done, it has saved now. Now when I play, you will see that one part is more focused. See, the face part is focusing more. Similarly, if you have a picture wherein group is appearing, फिर आप ये वाली option ले सकते हैं. Okay. Now coming to another option, which is the dustbin option. Delete this card from your save. If you have taken, आपने click करते करते by mistake you have taken many cards. Suppose this is the card and we don't want this card, so we just need to click on this card and we need to wait. We need to click on this card. Green box is highlighted. That means we are working on this card. I click on this delete option. Gone. जो नीचे grid वाला था वो ऊपर आ गया. And at any point of time, if you want to change the sequence, you need to click on this. Suppose हमने बच्चे की picture को पहले ऊपर लेके जाना. When we are pasting our picture, we take this here and we take this one down. See, ऊपर नीचे हो गए picture. And two pictures को हमने group कर दिया. So this is again becoming group. वो पूछ रहा है, how do you want to group it? Automatic? You want in the form of stack? You want it in the form of grid? So it is again explaining. You want it in the form of slideshow? How do you want it to be there? This is the form. ऊपर आपकी slideshow आ रही है, नीचे आपके सारे pictures आ रहे हैं. The way we have it on Adobe, वैसे. This is comparison part. So it will give you all types of options. आप इसमें से जो select करोगे, it will give you that. Suppose I select this grid option. Okay, and then I play. Let's see how is the image appearing. See, both the images are here. पहले we had taken the child's picture front, अब वो front आ गए और दोनों picture एक दूसरे से सट गए. Okay, so the moment it is ending, ये edit वाला option हमें दे देगा. So this is about Sway. There is not much to do apart from this. Different types of options, different grids, whichever is convenient to you. And Baljeet ma'am has very correctly pointed out कि उधर से इधर link कैसे लेके आना है. That's more important. So design we have done, the left. Okay, now we go to this share part. Okay. So far so good. Anu ma'am, Anu Virdi ma'am, can you hear me? Pratishtha ma'am. Yes, my dear teachers, please let me know. Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much for that. Okay. So read further. That is why it takes some time. That's why I didn't want to go to the team screen. है ना? So here we go on the share option. Whenever you want to send your Sway or you want a link over there, so this is the thing. The specific people in your group, that means your Office 365 or your Kamala Nehru group, this one. Those in your organization, Kamala Nehru group. Specific people, जिसको आप भेजोगे, only they. Anyone with a link. So always when you are applying for such a big forum, wherein you do not want anything कि वो ये ना कहें आपका तो link ही open नहीं हो रहा है जी. Which option have you selected? I can't even view your Sway because we don't have any single point of contact or no one to answer कि we had applied और क्या हुआ. We never know कि क्यों हुआ. 3 years ago I had applied and I helped few people to apply, so वो लोग हो गए थे but I was not there. That was 3 years ago, so I don't know कि what happened, क्या हुआ, क्यों हुआ. Till date I don't know. Okay, so that's what we have to be very much conscious. So you click on this anyone with a link and view या edit. अगर आप edit option दोगे, anyone can edit your Sway and they can say इसमें तो कुछ था ही नहीं. So always give view up. And then we click on this copy link. 2 notebooks are there. एक के पीछे एक रखा हुआ. So we click on that copy. It's saying copied. ये link आपने अपने Word पे या कहीं पर भी रख लेनी है एक जगह पे किसी भी folder में जहाँ आप सारा करे हो. And when you go to apply for a MIE nomination, on that form you have a place where it says paste a link of your Sway. There you have to paste this link. ये वाली link आपने लेनी है और आपने वहाँ paste. Okay, this is about the pasting a link. Now coming to the settings option. So you go to these 3 horizontal dots which are very much towards the right hand side corner, third line from the upper part. So you have my Sways, you have create a new Sway the way we did. वहाँ से duplicate this Sway. Suppose you want to amend a Sway, आपने already बना लिया and you want to make few changes and you want कि पहले वाला भी रहना चाहिए. So rather than taking all those screenshots or all screens again and pasting again, you just do it duplicate this Sway. आप उसको duplicate कर लीजिए. So one you have an already made one and the another one which you are making, फिर it will ask you to give another name. और at times वो automatic भी खुद name ले लेता है. So you can duplicate it. Okay, that is how. Save as template, simple जैसे PDF की तरह save हो जाएगा. Print, if you have a print option attached to your laptop or to your computer, You can click on this, it will print as good as any other slides जैसे print करते हैं. Export is again self-explanatory. You click on export, it will give you a link and you can go ahead and export that somewhere else. Suppose like we have those forms में या teams में you want to embed your sway, so you can click on this export. Okay. Accessibility checker, it is again check your sway for content people with disabilities might find difficult to read. अगर आपकी sway में बहुत ज़्यादा छोटी font है या कुछ है, the way we are using immersive reader, so this can be used there. Settings for this way, इस way में क्या क्या settings है, it will show you there. Okay, this is again your email id. Help is if you need something you can write for help. We don't get much but then you can write for your satisfaction. So this is again sign out. So directly you can open the sway.com and you can start working using your Office 365 id. However, I prefer to open every link from the office.com website because the moment you click on office I'm very much sure कि सारा कुछ उसमें ही है and I can get the link from anytime anywhere access. Okay, so this is about the sway. And now tell me, the floor is open for questions. Shoot, girls and ladies. Yes, yes, Aman ma'am, you wanted to say something?
यस मैम।
Yes,
मैम
please
जो
go
हम स्वे बनाएंगे तो ये एज अ वीडियो प्ले होगा जैसे हम अडोब पार्क में करते हैं।
No, it will be like this. They will click the link. ये जो आपकी लिंक है ना, जो आपकी स्वे की मिलेगी, वो आप उसको कॉपी पेस्ट कर दोगे लिंक को, और जब वो आपकी फॉर्म रिव्यू करेंगे वो आपकी लिंक को क्लिक करेंगे और उनके स्क्रीन पे भी ऐसे इस तरह की दिखेगी, वीडियो नहीं ऐसी दिखेगी जैसे आप प्ले करते हो तो जैसी दिख रही है। अगर आपने कोई साउंड लगाई होगी पीछे तो वीडियो दिखेगी।
ओके मैम।
दिस इज हाउ इट विल अपीयर। It will look like an album's page turning to next page, next page, next page ऐसे करके। If you have given a link of yours wherein you want to embed your voice saying something, कुछ बोल के रिकॉर्ड किया, वो रिकॉर्डिंग भी आपने अपने वन ड्राइव पे अपलोड करनी है, उसकी लिंक को यहाँ जो लिंक लगाते हैं ना, जैसे ये लिंक थी हमने लगाई पीपीटी की लिंक, यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दिस लिंक एंड जो आपकी हाइपर लिंक उसमें अटैच्ड होगी म्यूजिक की वन ड्राइव में, उसकी लिंक आप वहां पे लगा दो और उसकी वर्ड्स में लिख दो माई कमेंट्स या फिर माई व्यूज ऑन स्वे या माई व्यूज ऑन बीइंग MIE। सो द मोमेंट दे क्लिक इट उनको आवाज आएगी उनकी लैपटॉप से, आप जो भी बोलना चाहते हो आपकी आवाज उनको आएगी। ओके, अमन मैम, एम आई एबल टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन?
यस मैम।
दैट्स ग्रेट। यस, एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस? प्लीज, the questions would make me think. So this is how we download the attendance sheet. If you are an organizer of a specific meeting or something, you get an option of this download attendance. It is showing you here manage permissions, download, and this is the close right pane. So at the moment I click attendance download, it has downloaded in my downloads. I can go there and see who all were there. Okay, is this clear till here? I have Aman ma'am, Anu ma'am, Baljeet ma'am, Harvinder ma'am, Hina ma'am, Jaspreet ma'am, Maninder ma'am, Pavan ma'am, Pooja ma'am, Poonam ma'am, Pratishtha ma'am, and Priyanka ma'am. Thank you so much to you all for being there. Please ask questions if any. Feel free. Let me go to the chat window now. Am I even able to make anything clear? Is it a help or is it a confusion? Tell me that first. One is for help and two is for confusion. Let me see your answers. In the chat window, you do not want me to see what my teachers are writing? Yes, Anu ma'am says yes, it is clear. Priyanka ma'am says yes. Okay. voice is cracking. Baljeet ma'am, is it okay now? Acha, it was long back, 5:59. Harinder ma'am says fine. Okay. We will try first. Okay, that's good, Baljeet ma'am. You can go ahead and try, and definitely do get back to me, come back to me if anything is unclear, or if we can go ahead and still help, right? And teachers of grade 1 to 4, you must have seen in the KNPA staff thing, people have been assigned as per the classes. So do let me know by when can we apply for the MI nomination, and we can finish off this work as well. Okay. So are we good to go?